Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are doing a Joker inspired look. Did anyone see the movie yet? Let me know in the comments below how you guys feel about it. So you guys will see me scrunch up my face because I'm trying to get cracks and wrinkles, but it didn't work out, so I will be drawing them on later. But I'm going to let you guys just watch because it's very easy and simple. You guys don't need to hear me explaining paint your face white, draw triangles, and blah blah blah. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and join the family. And at the end, you guys will see my outfit, which I got all on Amazon. I will be listing the products that I will be using in the description box.